Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol JAGX. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame, and does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Done this analysis several times in the past, so that's where these red and green line annotations are coming from. But after today's price movement, definitely some updates here need to be made. First, going to do is a little house cleaning, get rid of these lines here. Sure, these lines still pertain to the chart. They're just not relevant right now. And from a presentation point of view, I don't want to risk causing clutter or confusion because there's lines everywhere. I want to try to keep this as clean as possible. But the first update that does need to be made comes about based on a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of resistance are broken and closed above, you want to see them act as support. So going into the day, right there at $1.50 was resistance, but now that the price is up above it, that's what I would call the ideal level of support. And you say, hey, Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? And again, that'd definitely be if the price could stay above $1.50. With that being said, it's not like if the price falls below $1.50, that implies the entire chart's destroyed or ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price could manage to stay above that level, that would definitely be a massive sign of power going forward. Taking a step back and looking at all this from the bigger picture point of view, that is where the purple line there comes into play, the 50-period simple moving average. Keyword being moving. As time goes by, that line is going to move itself higher and higher. So a very straightforward way to gauge the health of the move, that right there I am defining as the move. Just watch that purple line. As long as the price can stay above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control. However you can best visualize that, that is what is being represented. Again, yeah, staying above $1.50 would be great. But from the grand scheme of it all, as long as the price is above that purple line, the bulls 100% own the chart. What about levels of resistance? Key level going forward right up there, and nothing fancy behind this other than the fact that the party finally stopped today right there at $1.60. In the event the price can push through $1.60, whoops, didn't need to go that far back in the chart's history. There we go. I get it, the chart's harder to see here, but that's a good problem to have when you have to go back this far. But after that $1.60 mark, next key overarching level right up there at $1.65. All in all, though, anyway, look at it. Very nice movement today. Good, solid volume. Not just a question of can the price continue to build upon this momentum going forward. Let's see what happens. One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.